President Marcos is willing to hear any possible revelations from fugitive former lawmaker Zaldi Co on the alleged irregularities in flood control projects. This was stated by Palace Press Officer Claire Castro. This after Marcos announced that Co was arrested in Prague, Czech Republic, after allegedly crossing the border without proper documentation.
Ang Pangulo, ulitin po natin, ang siyang nagsimulang magpa-imbestiga ng maanumalyang flood control projects. Siya ang nangunang magpa-imbestiga ng di umanong korupsyon. Ang Pangulo ay handang makinig sa lahat ng maaaring sabihin ng mga taong involved at dapat na managot sa batas.